DJI is putting out a cinematic FPV drone, and it has leaked. And here are the pictures. This thing looks cool. It looks like a little battle fighter with the goggles and everything else. This is, I guess, the fastest drone that they've ever put out. 93 mile an hour top speed, 4K video at 60 frames. You got to have a high frame rate. You're flying that fast. They have the cinematic trailer here. You showed me earlier. This baby is flying. And then I'm reading through the thing, coming to realize I understand this drone is around cinema, but they go on to talk about what the real competitive drone speeds are like for the racing. And this one wouldn't even cut it because those are 120 miles an hour plus.
Oh,
that
thing will ding your head off.
Man.
Oh, man. That's terrifying.
Yes, that is terrifying. You screw up and hit a person at that speed with a drone, I don't even want to see the aftermath of that.
Oh.
I bet you there's clips online. I don't think you should look for it.
No.
Personally. But these shots look incredible. 4K 60, and you can tell that the drone is moving far quicker than your typical cinema shot. Like, you can just tell. It creates a much different shot. It feels kind of like a car or a plane more so than a drone because it is just, look at it. I mean, it's passing cars on the highway right now. Very cool. But anyway, this is just a leak at the moment. DJI leaker Osita LV tweeted out the picture, I guess, which showcases the front of the box and the unit itself and the goggles and the controller FPV combo. Kind of surprising, actually, that DJI wasn't in this game earlier with the speed drones, but there you have it. They continue their drone domination, moving into even quicker drones than they've ever had before.